Hello everyone, here is Vilo. Today I will to introduce our company's products for everyone. Right now, this is product VS the series, which is industrial weight and dry application vacuum cleaner. We are talking about the next part. Let me show you the pictures of the VS the series, and then I will introduce each part of that model for you, and will to teach you how to use it. Will get kind of the machine. Hello everyone. Right now, let me introduce all these accessories for everybody. This one is the filter bag for dry dust. The second one is the fill bag for weight dust. And this one is the hose. And this one is the band pipe. And this one is the water brush. Okay, and this one is the section brush with the wheel. And this one is the hose connector. And this one is the section nozzle. And the last one is the rolled brush. Okay, this is all video for this product. If you want to know more information, welcome to connect our companies. Thank you.